Today, on a day off, gonna change out this good old cap for the steering reservoir. It was missing some pieces. Old one, new one. It ain't dirty. For sure, it all is good. I know it's a simple job. So, simple as that today. Hi, thanks. Yeah, he minds well. So apparently the lady walking two dogs back there, but said this dog's a very good dog. He's not throwing a fit trying to jump out of the truck. I don't think he's ever jumped out of the truck before. But the day he does will probably be the last day he'll ever do that. That'll hurt. Doodles, you just got a compliment, my boy. You just got a compliment. You did. It was just lightly dirty. When I looked down in there, there's like very few specks of dirt, little pieces, so not even worried about it. He did tell me, you know, if I need it in the future, I can come back and get the filter. He told me how to take it apart and where it sits. So, he locked the door on me, did you? That's okay. Kisses. Oh, you want a hug? Oh. What's that tail wagging for? No. You love it out here, buddy. I'm glad you do. All right, go on, bud. Go. We are gonna head on to do some laundry. We'll see you guys later.